up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us. A lot of you have requested that I do some type of a breakfast dish, so that's what we're doing today. I've got some minute steaks from Lone Grillz of New York, so you know that's going to be good. I'm doing some homemade hash browns, and also I'm going to fry up a couple of eggs. We're going to do that on the flat top on my new Lone Star Grillz. Y'all stick around. This is going to be good. Alright guys, let me show you what we're working with. This is the beef. This is USDA Prime. This is a minute steak. You get two 4-ounce minute steaks in this 8-ounce package. And this is from the small end of the strip loin. Go check that out. Beautiful marbling on that. Y'all know that's going to be good. You can rub it down with some salt and pepper if you'd like. I'm going to go on with some of this all-purpose savory seasoning from Lone Grillz. This is really good on beef. You're going to need a little bit of vegetable oil or some other oil to cook with on the flat top. I've got some Yukon Gold here, potatoes that I baked off in a 400-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes until they got a little tender. And I shredded them. We're going to add some fresh onion to the potatoes. And I've got a couple of eggs we're going to fry up. Let's get cooking, y'all. I just want to show you real quick on this firebox what I've done. I've got the vent wide open. The door is closed, but let me open it and show you. All I'm doing is burning some lump charcoal in there. I've got some oak burning in there. That's going to be our fuel, and it's heating up the flat top that's just above this firebox. I'll show you that here in a second. Alright guys, right here on top of the firebox we've got this nice flat plate. And I have used it a few times, so it is starting to get seasoned up. Let's see what the temperature is reading on it right now. Right about 400 degrees. That's pretty good. That's about where I want it actually. Alright, it's time to start with the potatoes. They're going to go the fastest. Put a little oil down there. We're going with some onions. Let those onions start cooking up real nice. I zoomed you in a little bit so you can see a little bit better. I just flipped these over. They're looking really, really good. Okay. I'm going to go on with a little bit more oil here. Go right over here. I didn't season these potatoes at all. I'm going to go ahead and put some potatoes down here. That's probably good enough. So we can work these onions over here into that. Oh yeah, man. There we go. Just like so. Wish I could smell this. That's going to be good. Alright, we're going to let this brown on this side for about 3 minutes. We'll bring you right back. I let these go for 4 minutes because the potatoes were cold. But I didn't touch them. I just left them going like that. Let's see what they look like. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Flip those over a little bit. It's going to be a nice hash brown. That looks just about right for me. So I'm going to go another 4 minutes on this side. Now while my hash browns are finishing up, I'm going to go ahead and cook some eggs on this other side. And my pit kind of leans back towards the back end of it. So I'm pretty sure my eggs are going to slope that way. Let's see if we can get these eggs going here. Oh, that was a double yolk. Check that out, y'all. Cool. Alright, this time we're going with our steaks. Gonna move our steaks over on this side, on this end anyway. Gonna go on again with some of this all-purpose savory seasoning. You don't have to go heavy with it. A little dab will do you, but this is some good tasting rub right here. Good tasting seasoning. Okay. And these are called minute steaks because they literally need 1 minute. So about 30 seconds on each side, but hash browns have another couple of minutes, and by that time the eggs should also be done. So we're going to finish up everything all together. Tell you what, to help these eggs cook a little bit on the top, I'm just going to close this lid down. Alright, that's been about 30 seconds on that side for the meat. I'll need to sprinkle it with some seasoning here. There we go. Might as well throw some on my eggs too, right? There you go. Give that a nice little flip. So check that out. Holy cow. That's going to be some fine eating, folks. We'll see y'all here in about 30 seconds. Alright folks, it's been 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and pull these steaks off. There you go, you can see the other side right there. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and get our eggs and our hash browns off here. Flip these over and let you get a look on the back side. There you go. See if we can get these eggs off here without busting them up too bad. Might have to bust it in two. There we go. I think I got the double yolk one anyway. There we go. Put that on our plate. I'll just set this another one up to the side a little bit. In fact, I'll flip it over and cook it a little bit more. So, we'll finish this off. We'll bring Brown back. Now check out that plate, folks. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Hey, folks, that's our finished plate. Now I'm going to go on with a little bit more of this savory seasoning from Lobel's. Just put it all over all this stuff, man. It's got some chunks in there too, so they've got different size holes on their lid. I've got it on the bigger holes here. A little bit more on the steaks here. There we go. Now I don't know about you, but I like a little steak sauce on my steak. So we're going on with some steak sauce. Folks, I tell you what, if you have not tried the Lobel's steak sauce, you don't know what you're missing. This is some excellent stuff. Come on out of there. There we go. A little bit will be good. First things first, I want to try some of this steak, folks. Oh man, that's going to be some good eating. That is super, super tender. Just super tender, guys. Oh my word. This is good, y'all. Really, really good. Thought I'd get you up here where I can see you. How about that? Y'all check this out. Very, very beefy. Dry aged too, folks. That is so tender. Oh, I miss eating Lobel's meat. Holy. Lobels.com. Y'all check them out, man. And again, links are down below. Let's try these hash browns, folks. Hash browns with a little bit more of that steak. Yeah. Look at that onion. That's some good hash browns. Whoa, now seasoning on there too. Adds a nice little pop. Let's check out the egg. Got some egg with the steak. Steak and eggs, babe. I might gotta go eat this before it gets cold. I'll tell you what, folks, that's a seriously good breakfast. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Y'all be sure and check out the links down below. Just hit show more to open up the description box. I got a lot of good information in there for you. If y'all like this, y'all give me some thumbs up. By all means, I hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.